On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make $100 per hour using Google. This particular strategy is unique, and the best part is that you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, you don't need to invest any money. Wherever you are in the world, you can use this particular strategy to make money for free. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to open your browser. Once you open it, you are going to search for Skills Shop. So just type Skills Shop, Once you type it, you are going to search for it. Once you search for Skills Shop, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on the first website right here, Skills Shop. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, master the Google tools you use at work with online training. So you are going to enroll in a free training where you can acquire skills on how to use some of the Google tools that people use every day. So just click right here, get started, so that you can enroll in a course. Once you click on get started, you can see they have a course on Google Ads. See, they have a course on Google for education. They have a course on Google for marketing. When you scroll down, you can see many others. Google Analytics, you can see Google My Business. You can also learn how to manage YouTube accounts. When you scroll down, you can see this one, Google Ad Manager. You can see a lot of different things that you can learn from Google for free. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to enroll in this particular course right here, Google Ads. Once you enroll in this particular training, they will teach you everything that you need to know about running Google Ads. Once the training ends, they are going to give you a certificate certifying that you know how to run Google Ads. Once you enroll in the training and then acquire the skill, the next step is that you are going to come on this website, upwork.com. Once you are on the website, you are going to click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a free account. Upwork is a freelance website where people sell their services. So you are going to sell the skills that you acquire on Google. So let me just search for you to see how much people are making using this particular same strategy, Google Ads. So let's type Google Ads, just search for it. Once you search for Google Ads, you can see right here people are using this particular skills to make money on Upwork. You can see this person right here, he's charging $100 per hour anytime he assists people to run Google Ads, and you can see he has made a total of $40,000 selling this particular skill. When you scroll down, you can see this person is charging $55 per hour selling the same skills. You can see Google Ads. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many people who are selling this particular service. You can see this particular person is charging $150 selling the same skills. You can see this person is charging $79. This person is charging $25. So there are many people who are using this particular strategy to make money. You can see this person is charging $25 per hour and he has made a total of $40,000 selling this particular skills. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this person right here is charging $37 per hour, and you can see he has made a total of $20,000 selling this particular skills. There are many people who are using this particular strategy to make money. As a school, you can see many people who are selling this particular skills to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to enroll in the course so that you can also list your gig right here and then make money from home. Apart from this website, you can also come on Fiverr and then list your gig. Fiverr is also a freelance website where you can sell your services to make money from home. As I search for Google Ads, you can see it right here. Many people are also using the same strategy to make money from home. You can see this person is charging $170 as starting price. This person is charging $200 as starting price. You can see this person is charging $200 as starting price. So people are making money with this particular skills. You can see this person right here is charging $70. You can see $40, $130. Let me scroll down to show you more. You can see this person right here is charging $200. You can see this one is charging $60. This person is charging $145. Let me just click on one of them so that I'll show you the amount of money that some of them are making per day. Let me just click on this particular gig right here. As you can see, this is the gig and the fellow has 4.9 star rating. You can see right here the fellow has had 847 reviews, and you can see right now the fellow has orders in queue. So it means there are people who are waiting for his service right now. So you can see right here he's charging the basic package for $200. The standard package is $300. You can see the premium is $400. So now let's calculate the amount of money this particular person is going to make per day. So let's come to the basic package. So let me use my calculator for you to see. As you can see, this is my calculator. So let's calculate the amount of money this person is going to make per day. You can see the orders in queue now is 18. So let's multiply 18 by 200. So let's say 200 multiplied by 18. So if all the orders are in the basic package, this person is going to make $3,600 per day. Let's go to the standard. So when you come to the standard, the fellow is charging $300. So let's multiply 18 by 300. If all the orders are in the standard package, this person is going to be making $5,400 in a single day. Let's go to the premium package. When you come to the premium package, let's multiply 18 by 400. If all the orders are in the premium package, this person is going to be making $7,200 in a single day. So this is one of the best ways that you can use to make money from home. You can see right, Google Ads. So you can also acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skills, you can sell it on Upwork. You can also sell it on Fiverr. There is another website that you can also sell it. The name is People Per Hour. So you can also sell it on that platform, and you are going to be making money. So make sure you go and enroll in the course. Once you enroll in the course, within some short period, you can acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skills, you can sell the same skills to make money from home. You don't need to invest any money. All that you need to do is that you have to invest your time so that you can acquire the skills. Once you acquire the skills, you can be making money every day for free. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.